Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about radical equations, and we're going to solve each equation, but remember to check for extraneous solutions. So if I was given this equation, the square root of 2k plus 40 equals the square root of negative 16 minus 2k. Well, I'm going to square both sides. Both radicals are isolated, so I can square both sides to eliminate them. And it's a 2 for 1 special here, deleted. So we have 2k plus 40 equals a negative 16 minus 2k. So let's bring our k's together and our numbers together. So I'm going to add a 2k to both sides. I always want to say 2 but it's 2k. And I subtract a 40 to both sides. Leaving me with 2k plus 2k is 4k. Like the TVs, these 40s cancel. These 2k's are canceled. And negative 16 minus 40 is a negative, ready, 56. Okay, negative 56 here. So now I need to divide both sides by 4. And we're left with, well, what's negative 56 divided by 4, which is a negative 14. Okay, negative 14 there. And so we have k equals a negative 14. But I need to check. So I'm going to check it by rewriting my equation. So square root of 2k plus 40 equals the square root of negative 16 minus 2k. I'm going to plug negative 14 in for both k's there. So I have 2 times negative 14 plus 40 equals negative 16 minus 2 times negative 14. Careful with their negatives. 2 times negative 14 is a negative 28. So square root of negative 28 plus 40 equals, here on the right, negative 16 minus 2 times negative 14 is a negative 28. Okay, negative 28. Now be careful. Subtracting negative, same thing as adding a positive, so that's like plus a positive 28. That's a weird looking, it looks more like a snowman, to be honest. So we have a positive 28 there. And so negative 28 plus 40 is a positive 12. And on the right-hand side, negative 16 plus 28 is also a positive 12. Left and right are equal, which is fantastic. And so it means we don't have an extraneous solution, and it confirms that k equals negative 14 is my final answer. So we're going to recap. We were given the square root of 2k plus 40 equals the square root of negative 16k minus 2k. Squared both sides, eliminated the radicals. We're left with 2k plus 40 equals a negative 16 minus 2k. Brought my k's together, brought my numbers together. Left me with 4k equals a negative 56. Divided by 4 to both sides, leaving me with k equals a negative 14. I then had to check, so I rewrote my equation and plugged negative 14 in for both k's, then simplified. 2 times negative 14 is negative 28. Negative 28 plus 40 was 12, so we have square root of 12 here. Negative 16 minus 2 times negative 14. 2 times negative 14 is a negative 28, and subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding a positive. So I have negative 16 plus a positive 28, which comes out to be a positive 12. Square root of 12, square root is still there, so we have square root of 12 equals square root of 12. Left and right are equal. Fantastic. We're great. We have no extraneous solutions, and confirms our final answer is k equals a negative 14.